For decades, The Simpsons has been brushed off as just a cartoon, a clever, sarcastic take on American life. But if you really look at it, the coincidences pile up into something a lot harder to ignore. Over and over again, The Simpsons has predicted world-changing events with eerie accuracy, years or even decades before they happened. It's almost like someone slipped the writers a map of the future, and they decided to laugh in our faces while revealing it. It's easy to believe that when you have hundreds of episodes, some things are bound to come true. That's what skeptics love to say. But how do you explain predicting a Trump presidency way back in 2000? How do you explain showing Disney buying 20th Century Fox in the 90s? How do you explain a cartoon virus from Asia causing a global panic that mirrors the chaos of COVID-19? How do you explain the show casually mentioning smartwatches, autocorrect fails, even the discovery of the Higgs boson particle years before scientists officially did? These aren't just random guesses. These are pinpoint hits on the biggest events of our time. Some people say the writers are just extremely smart, Ivy League graduates with sharp eyes for trends. But being smart doesn't explain predicting not just trends, but actual political moves, corporate takeovers, scientific breakthroughs, and global disasters. It's not just one or two predictions either. It's a disturbing pattern that seems to accelerate the deeper you dig into the episodes. There's a chilling theory that maybe The Simpsons didn't just predict the future. Maybe they influenced it. By putting absurd ideas out into the world early, they planted seeds in the minds of powerful people and everyday citizens alike. What started as a joke became reality because enough people believed it could happen. Or maybe it was always going to happen. Maybe The Simpsons is part of something bigger, a system designed to slowly leak the truth while keeping everyone too distracted to notice. And then there's the theory that pushes things into pure sci-fi horror, the simulation theory. What if reality itself is just a program, and somehow, intentionally or accidentally, The Simpsons caught glimpses of the script? What if they're not making jokes? They're reading the updates before they install. Maybe these predictions are glitches, mistakes in a carefully crafted illusion, and The Simpsons just happens to be the one place where the veil slips. The more you think about it, the less funny it gets. Maybe The Simpsons was never just a cartoon. Maybe it was always something much, much bigger, a warning hidden in plain sight that nobody took seriously because it made us laugh. Maybe the future isn't unpredictable at all. Maybe it's already written, and somebody out there decided to show it to us in 23-minute episodes. The question is, what's coming next? And has The Simpsons already shown us, but we were too busy laughing to realize? One big thing shown in The Simpsons that hasn't come true yet is the U.S. becoming a total dystopian wasteland ruled by robots and corporations. In the episode Bart to the Future, Season 11 aired in 2000, the show flashes forward to a future where America has completely collapsed economically, and Lisa Simpson becomes president. After Donald Trump, in that future, the country is shown to be a mess: ruined infrastructure, extreme poverty, lawlessness, and high-tech companies having almost total control over what's left of society. Another similar example comes from Holidays of Future Past, Season 23, where the future has flying cars, mind uploads, robot servants, colonies on Mars, and weird family dynamics controlled by technology, none of which has actually happened yet. Although we are kind of creeping toward parts of it. Other not-yet-true predictions include mind-controlled consumer goods, like fridges that order food just by reading your thoughts. Not quite there yet. Mars colonization by private companies. They showed Lisa's daughter being born on Mars. Elon Musk would love that, but it hasn't happened yet. Personality-altering brain surgeries, super futuristic, changing who you are by getting a quick brain chip install. The Simpsons has hinted at a full-on sci-fi dystopia, and while we're moving slowly in that direction, for more information, subscribe.